G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a quick look at the installation and the flushing for the Doulton Ultracarb single stage benchtop water filter. Now this is a great water filter. Doulton have been around 100 years, 195 years maybe, something like that. And this is a great water filter, still used today a lot on rainwater, okay? Can be used in the cities and the towns, but used a lot with rainwater nowadays. So when you get the water filter, obviously you'll get excited to receive your filter, I hope, and you'll get it and you'll open it up fairly quickly, okay? We do like our customers to get hold of their packages when they get them and open as quick as possible, and obviously get the experience of nice fresh filtered water, but also to notify us if there's any problems and anything's been broken in transport or anything like that. So let's just go through it for you and I'll show you exactly what I would do, all right? So water filter's arrived, I've opened the box up, had a quick physical look at it, everything's in place and works and looking good, okay? So we're going to bring him over here and we're going to have a quick inspection and connect him to the tap, all right? So I generally will get a towel and just put a towel down on the bench top just to give yourself something to work off, so you don't scratch anything, it's a lot quieter, we don't break anything, etc. Okay, so we're going to unwind the water hose, very simple, quite quick, and we're just going to put him off out of the road there, okay? Here's our tool. The tool does have a close and an open on each side, okay? And it is important that you sit this on the right way, all right? So this is a normal Australian thread, and you'll turn it to the right to make it go tight. So we're going to turn it to the left to undo it, which is anti-clockwise, okay? So you can simply lay the filter over, put the tool on the top of the housing. It doesn't go in these lines, all right? The knobs on the housing tool just come up and hit on the ridge, and that's what will turn it, okay? All right. Once you've broken that seal, they'll generally undo very easy by hand. It's just a little bit to tighten them and loosen them, okay? Now as you lift that up, just be careful that you don't drop or knock this cartridge. It will break, it is ceramic. Okay, now what we're doing now, we're just taking this out. We just want to make sure that in transport it's been delivered okay, all right? So I'm just cast my eyes up and down the cartridge. It's all good, it's looking good. Just give it a bit of a screw from end to end and just have a quick inspection of it, but there's no problem. That cartridge has made the distance and it's looking good. So we're just going to put the housing back on top. Do him up by hand, then you can put your tool on, lay him on his side. You only need a little bit, it doesn't have to be too tight, okay? Unless it's leaking and something's wrong, it's good to go, okay? So here is the water hose that delivers the water to the filter, okay? Generally, you're going to have a black washer that goes in the top, and this is the female side. And we have got a male adapter here if required. So we come to the kitchen sink tap spout, and we want to get the aerator off the end. So we'll simply screw the aerator off the end of the spout. We'll put that one away. Now the diverter, as they come standard, are a female thread. As you can see here, we've just removed the male aerator, and that leaves us with a female thread. So there's nothing to connect on there for us at this stage. So that's when the double male adapter will connect the system together for us, okay? So we simply take him out. And what you'll notice here is that there's also a good size rubber washer on the top of this one here as well, okay? And you do need that to seal it up. You can actually see that there's a couple being supplied, and you're only going to need one. So we'll just use the one that we need. Has got a bit of a speckledy pattern on here, and that's basically just going to screw straight inside the tap. You can just wrap a bit of thread tape around this seal here to make a better solid thread and grip and seal on there. We don't want any oxygen or air getting through here and leaking through the hose into our filter later on once it's installed, because that can actually make the filter keep on running a little bit when you turn it off. Okay, so we'll just quickly spin this one on here. Okay, do him up, washers in the top, and then this one here will screw straight onto our adapter. Okay. Okay, and up we go. Now, I've just done it up a little bit hand tight today for the demonstration, but if this was at my own home, I would definitely wrap a little bit of thread tape around there if I had any leaking or air issues, and I would definitely tighten it up with a tool, with a spanner, a multi-grip or a plier, something to just lock on the outside there. The swivel's still going to swivel, but we do want to have the adapter and the swivel part of the diverter connected up tight. Okay, once that's connected up tight, you're pretty well done. We're here and it's all over and it's working and it's connected up. Then we're just simply going to turn on the tap. The water's going to flow through the filter, and you can just allow the water to flush out of there for 5 minutes and give this filter a good flush out. Okay, all cartridges need a flush when they're new, so we'll just turn him around and sit him up on the bench, turn the water on and let that filter flush for 5 minutes, and then you'll be good to go. After about a 12-hour period or the next day, you could turn your filter on, just give it a little flush for 3 minutes, and then away you go. You'll be good to go for a whole year. It is a ceramic and it is filtering the sediment as well as the other contaminants in the water. So if you ever did have a slow flow rate or the flow started to slow down, you can simply turn the water off, remove the housing, take the cartridge out, have a look at our instruction on how to scrub a ceramic cartridge, which you'll just scrub under the tap. You put it back and the water filter will start to flow and you'll have your normal flow rate back. Okay? Any dramas, any issues, give us a call, but this water filter here for a rainwater tank is perfect. Thanks very much.